I think that the key thing that should be known is that out of this Wunderbar facility, it's not the IT infrastructure is not just this facility. Basically, we have two other facilities that are Wunderbar owned, one down in Ensenada, Mexico, as well as one in Mundelein, Illinois, that are all driving off our servers. Yeah. Plus, there's also two other Middleby companies that are actually hosted on our system as well. The Coffee Solutions Group up in Renton, Washington. Yeah. And then we also have L2F, which is down in Fremont. What doesn't keep me up at night is the servers are running. Based on the different time zones that we have to work with these individuals, it's imperative that they have access to all the different ERP systems, as well as the drives, the servers, and so on and so forth, to make sure that they can do their business.
Yeah. So what I'm hearing is robust internet, robust infrastructure to keep all of the business lines up and running, which is what we've been supporting here, and I think it's worked out pretty well. So speaking in terms of uptime for the facility, specific to your IT infrastructure, what does it mean like when the IT infrastructure for you guys is impaired?
When our ERP system is down, or if there's something that's going on that does not allow us to print any of the BOLs, doesn't allow us to print any of the shipping documentation, and basically we shut down. Yeah. And when it happens to us, it also happens to L2F and the Coffee Solutions Group.
That's right.
So they also see the same impact from that perspective. So it's imperative, and as I said, about the different time zones. Right now the facility Mundelein is Central Time. And of course, we're in Pacific. So again, there's got to be a fairly amount of good reach in regards to keeping everybody up and functional. Yeah. And I know that when there is an issue associated with Mundelein, they find out first. I know they're in contact with you guys, and then maybe rebooting the server or something. Sure. So we come in and it's completely seamless.